If you still don't know this beautiful baby, the HydraFacial, which is basically is the basic HydraFacial and the Ultra HydraFacial. In general, the basic HydraFacial is the one that you will find, like, I think everywhere that you will look for HydraFacial, which is only focused on very deep cleaning. And the Ultra HydraFacial is after we did the deep cleaning, it's less firm and create more collagen and elastin and use all the beautiful anti-aging instrument and things for your skin. So this makes the treatment, but for my belief, more complete. But still, the basic HydraFacial is good if you want to focus only on deep cleaning. And the Ultra one is going to be the deep cleaning and all the fun. So today I want to talk about 8 reasons why HydraFacial is the perfect skincare treatment. So whenever you enjoy cosmetic services or just starting to start your way in skincare, one thing is for sure: there is no shortage of treatments option to choose from, and sometimes it can be very confusing. But first, I always invite you to a free consultation with me that I can help you narrow your options and maybe overwhelming feeling, and always help you to find what's best for you. And one of the treatment which is always versatile and always give the amazing results in one session and a long-lasting results is the HydraFacial. So here are 8 reasons why I highly recommend the HydraFacial. Not only me, don't take my words from me only, but you can read the amazing reviews of clients who are doing it regularly. So the first reason is HydraFacials are designed for all skin types. No matter if your skin type, what color is your skin type or whatever, HydraFacial cleans, extract, and hydrate to create more radiant complexions. In other words, they're ideal for a whole range of people and produce visible results immediately, if we're talking about the basic one or the full complete Ultra one. The reason number 2 why HydraFacial is so perfect: HydraFacials improve lots of skin conditions and your confidence, because when your skin is amazing and glowing and all your pores are closed and super clean, I think you feel pretty confident, right? So not only are HydraFacials designed to improve your skin health for long term, but they also make your skin glow and minimize skin conditions like fine lines and wrinkles, pigmentations, acne scars, pore size, oily skins and congestion, dull skin, tired skin, gray skin, and just skin that needs some love and attention. The versatility of HydraFacial makes it one of my favorite overall treatment perform, and it's actually the only treatment I can do to myself, like whole, and I do it every 4 weeks because I just love the results. So with special like booster formulas that I also use in the treatment, I can treat almost every skin condition: fine line, deeper wrinkle, dull and congestion skin. Everyone deserves the HydraFacial glow. So do you. The third reason HydraFacial can be personalized. Actually, all my treatments are personalized to you because we have different skin, different season, hormonal changes, different feeling, maybe stress, maybe sleepless night. Everything that comes inside shows outside. So I always make it personalized, but because the HydraFacial basic work in 3 steps, it cleans and exfoliate and extract everything from the skin and hydrate your skin. I will use always the perfect products and serums that will be suitable for your skin. The HydraFacial Ultra is the extended one that gives you all what the basic one gives, which is the best clean skin you ever had. But it added benefits to enhance the treatment with lifting the skin, firming the skin, get the glow from within, restore smooth, refined, calming, and in simple words, the whole beauty luxury treatment you can have. Reason number 4, there is no downtime for HydraFacial. You don't go out of the treatment all red and bruised the other way around. You go out even more beautiful than you came in. You can return to normal activities immediately after HydraFacial. It's including applying makeup, go out, do whatever you like. Very minimal amount of people can have some redness, but these are people that their skin is getting red even just by touching it, and this redness always disappear after 24 hours, so no worries. But what I always recommend, and this regardless of the HydraFacial, is to use SPF, because especially here when we remove all the dead skin cells and we clean the skin so deeply, we want to also protect it afterwards. So SPF is your best friend forever, every day of the year. Remember that. Reason number 5, I think I said it already, but HydraFacials are effective. All of my clients who are doing it regularly or first time report that their skin looks more refined and radiant almost immediately, with an improvement appearance and hydration for like a month. With regular treatment, HydraFacial can improve the variety of skin conditions like wrinkles and spots and acne scars, etc. too. And more importantly, HydraFacials are highly effective because they work also from within. So it's this combination of luxury treatment that doesn't really treat only the spot but the cause. But this is my approach to everything, the holistic approach. I don't just look at the symptom, I look at the cause. Reason number 6, HydraFacial can make your skincare products work better. Why? Because we use in the HydraFacial, whoops, here it is, this high-tech wand, I call it Vortex. It gently extract everything. It's like a vacuum cleaner, everything from your skin. It works like a vacuum to open pores and deep cleans, and allows ingredients that we use in the treatment and that you use at home to penetrate deeper. Anything that you put after, you'll see yourself. The results at home will improve as well. Okay, and reason number 7, HydraFacial are non-invasive. There are no needles involved. It's not painful. It's very pleasant, to my opinion. While it included deep exfoliation, everything is so gentle and it suits even the most sensitive skin. And it's, people describe this, the feeling from all the tools, really relaxing, calming, and when they touch their skin after, they are like, I can't believe I have a new skin. So that's one. And the last reason is HydraFacial are cost effective, which is also important. Unlike some cosmetic service that can cost thousands of euros, HydraFacial at my salon, at Pure Natural Salon, is priced in a level that you can't find in Amsterdam, to be honest. And I don't like to talk trash about anyone else, but I checked the prices around and I decided that I don't want to take a price that someone can only maybe go for on their birthday. I want you to be able to have this beautiful treatment on a regular basis, or like to do a regular facial and then the next time the HydraFacial. So I don't want to, when I made my search and I look around, I decided no, I want to make it available to everybody. And it's like a 6-in-1 customized treatment targeting multiple concerns at once. And while other treatment can take a couple of appointments to get the results you're looking to achieve. And with this one, trust me, when you finish the treatment, you look at the mirror and you will see yourself. And again, don't just take my word for it. It's what I hear from my clients. You can see on the Instagram or on my website, like the before and after results. You can read the reviews yourself. And I wouldn't invest in a machine like that if it wouldn't bring results. So if you're still not convinced, you're welcome to come and have a talk and see. And yeah, give yourself this beautiful glow you deserve.